In this video, you'll learn how to make 500 through Binance gift card arbitrage. This guide will take you through the essential steps for successfully navigating this process, including understanding pricing, executing trades, and managing your risks effectively. Begin by visiting the Binance website and logging into your account. Once you are logged in, locate the menu on the homepage and select the gift card section. This area is crucial as it displays both buying and selling prices for gift cards. It is important to review these prices carefully because the foundation of arbitrage relies on identifying price discrepancies. Keep in mind that fees and availability can significantly impact your potential profits, so be cautious and realistic in your expectations as you familiarize yourself with this step. Next, focus on buying and selling gift cards strategically. Look for opportunities to purchase gift cards when their prices are discounted. This means you should be vigilant about market trends and ready to act when prices drop. Conversely, sell or redeem your gift cards when market demand increases, ensuring you maximize your returns. Carefully track exchange rates and timing to optimize your trades. It is advisable to start with a small amount of capital to test your strategy before committing larger sums. Additionally, document every transaction you make to analyze your performance later. After executing your trades, it is essential to manage your risk and track your results consistently. Keep a detailed record of your profits and losses to understand your financial position. Use this data to adjust your trading strategy as necessary. It is crucial to avoid making assumptions about fixed daily income, as market conditions can vary greatly. Regularly monitor any changes to Binance's policies that could affect your trading activities. Ensure that your transaction records are stored securely to maintain a clear overview of your operations. Throughout this process, patience and diligence are key to achieving long-term success. By thoroughly understanding the market dynamics and maintaining a disciplined approach to trading, you can increase your chances of reaching your financial goals. Always be prepared to adapt to changing market conditions and learn from your experiences as you progress. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.